It's the end of the school season and it is throwing us all out of routine. Oh yeah. But we did finish spring break and all of that fun craziness. So to get ready for my sister to come out for spring break, of course I did some grocery hauls and there were some really good savings. So I bought things that she needed and what we needed. And this first haul, I went to a local store here in town and I ran into the store looking like this. Oh yeah. Didn't even faze me, didn't even care. I don't care, I really don't. So yeah, in fact, I forgot I had it on. And people were like, hello, I'm like, hi. Like, I forgot I had it on. So yeah, I washed my hair and wrapped this around my head. So I dropped Shaylee off at school and then ran to the store really quick. And now I could dry my hair. Because if I just let it air dry, it just would be horrible. I snagged 2 of the Grandma Sycamore bread. They were on sale for buy one, get one free, so it made them $1.99 each. Bananas, tomatoes on the vine, 2 52 ounces of orange juice, a head of cabbage, 2 6-ounce containers of blueberries, 4 packets of the Hidden Valley Ranch. Okay, I thought this was the buttermilk version, but it's not. I swear they don't make that version anymore. It's for my Jana's roast, so we'll see. 24 ounces of cottage cheese, 16 ounces of sour cream, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, 3 cartons of strawberries. They're 2 pounds each, and they were for an amazing price. They are huge. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's huge. 10-pound bag of russet potatoes, 5 dozen large eggs, and chips. They were on sale. I think the bags were $1.99 each if you bought 4 or more. I grabbed salt and vinegar, wavy, cheddar and sour cream, and the classic. And this was my quick grocery run. Then I ran into Smith's. So for my sister, I picked up the yogurt she wanted. This is the Okios Pro Complete Protein. There are 20 grams of protein in each 5.3 ounce serving. So she got strawberry and then a mixed berry. And then she needed the Activia. There's 8 bottles. These are like shakes, I guess. These are the mixed berry. It's probiotic daily. Very cool. I snagged a 9-volt battery because my kitchen scale battery died, and that's how I weigh my bread when I'm baking bread. So picked up some more moisturizer. So this is L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Anti-Wrinkle and Firming Moisturizer. 4 bulbs of garlic, 5 butters. They're 1 pound each. This was with a digital coupon. 2 pints of blueberries, a bunch of bananas, a 7-ounce package of pepperoni. And the Kroger 32-ounce cheese was on sale, so I grabbed 5, and you got the price with the digital coupon. So 32 ounces each of the sharp cheddar, mild cheddar, Kobe Jack, and 2 mozzarella. A package of 12 individual mozzarella string cheese, 2 8-ounce packages of American cheese, 30 ounces of ricotta cheese, a package of 24 count of burgers. And on sale were the Barilla Jumbo Shells. I grabbed 6 of those. And then Chick-fil-A sauce. That was on sale. So I grabbed 4 of the original. On sale when you buy 5 or more. So 7 Best Food mayonnaise. We are using up a lot of mayo right now. We've already started making macaroni salads and potato salads. So we're going to be going through this fast. And then just 3 Miracle Whips. I have enough on the shelf. We don't go through Miracle Whip as fast as we do the mayo. And with the digital coupon, the Lay's kettle cooked chips. So 2 sea salt and vinegar, 2 of the original sea salt, and 1 of the mesquite barbecue.
So my haul came to $218.71.
Now we're moving on to the first Costco haul.
Hey, I grabbed a 5-pound bag of sweet potatoes, and I went through all of them and found the smallest ones instead of getting the big guys. The Emalu sausages, they're fully cooked, ready to go. Oh, they are way good. A 1.5-pound bag of mini cucumbers. The millet and brown ramen. There are 12 packs in here. It's rice ramen and it's so good. The organic sheet pan vegetables. These are so yummy. So they are lightly seasoned blend of organic Brussels sprouts, sweet potato, broccoli florets, red onion, and zucchini. Yum. We picked up the dogs some dental chews. There are 72 of them in here, and they're grain-free and gluten-free. A bag of dried plums, a bag of frozen organic whole green beans. Now these sounded really good and they look pretty clean from the ingredients. These are Simply Fuel protein balls. These are the chocolate coconut peanut butter ones. They're gluten-free, 8 grams of protein per serving. So I can't wait to try these. Grabbed the Made Good organic granola bites. These are nut and gluten-free, and this is a 24 pack, and there are 12 of the chocolate chip balls and 12 of the mixed berry balls. I picked up the kids some chicken patties. These are breaded chicken breast patties, and these are a 20 count. They had there to try the snack mix, and it was so different but so good. I'm not even going to attempt that name. It's a balanced blend of crispy rice crackers and airy popcorn tossed in a sweet savory, okay, here we go, faraki seaweed seasoning, and it's crunchy and it's actually really good. So I can't wait to have the kids try it because they love seaweed. Oh my goodness, I haven't bought this in a long time and I'm so excited. These are the Greek stuffed peppercini duo. Green and red pepperoni stuffed with cream cheese and feta. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're so good. Finally, for like a sample, they had the Goodles mac and cheese, but they had the box kind. But we were able to try them. I've been dying to try them because they are spendy, but they're a very clean mac and cheese. And it was really good. So this one, I got the single servings that are microwavable, and there's 12 in here. All right, for the kids, we did the 30 count El Monterey burritos. There's 15 bean and cheese and 15 beef and bean. 2 5-pound bags of onions, yellow onions, and they were on for a great price. I just used my last onion. Derek grabbed his Timberwolf keto bread. Yeah, he really likes this. Then I grabbed 2 whole young chickens. 2 came in a package. We love cooking these up in the air fryer oven. A bag of the Cosmic Crisp apples and a bag of pears. A bag of petite romaine lettuce heads. I think there are 5 in there. A bag of French bread. We're gonna have that with our dinner tomorrow, and we're gonna make French toast with it. And then some hamburger buns to go with the chicken patties. And also from Costco, these are the Joy Burst waters. 0 grams of sugar, 100% natural flavors. They have lion's mane, electrolytes, and vitamins. So there is a peach flavor, a watermelon, and a strawberry lemonade. I like all of them, but I absolutely love the strawberry lemonade. So we grabbed 2 boxes of those this time. And then on sale was the Orgain plant protein shake. And this is an 18 pack.
And 5 dozen eggs.
And this is the Costco haul.
And here's our last haul, again with Costco.
I grabbed red seedless grapes and green seedless grapes. This is a 3-pound bag of mandarins. Avocado. There are 6 avocados in this bag. A package of 4 1-pound bacons. I snagged the Hillshire Farms oven roasted turkey breast, honey ham, and smoked turkey breast combo. 2 loaves of the Grandma Sycamore bread. 2 of the Kirkland shampoo and conditioner. Lactose-free milk. There are 4 half gallons in here. And on sale, and I know the kids, this will be so easy for the kids during spring break. These are pizza singles. They're 12 pack, 6 pepperoni and 6 4 cheese.
And of course, I had to clean out the fridge to be able to put all of what I bought in. So I started in sections, and I started with the door. I took everything off the individual shelves, took them out, scrubbed them down really good, and then put them back in. And as I was putting things back into the door, I went through all the condiments and things and tossed whatever was old and didn't need to be there. And I did the same thing for this main part of the fridge. Took everything off the 3 shelves here. And yeah, you could really see how nasty my fridge was. So I scrubbed the shelves down real good. They were kind of a pain to put back in the fridge, I won't lie. Then I went through everything that needed to go back in the fridge. And then with some of the groceries that I bought, I got them ready for the fridge. So the grapes and the blueberries, scrubbed those down, put them in glass containers. Finished filling up the egg carton, and boom, the fridge was stocked and ready for spring break and beautifully cleaned. It felt so good. We did a lot of fun things while they were here. One of the things we did was went to the aquarium. That was a lot of fun because I got to see the otters, and I freaking love otters. They're adorable. And we got to go to Topgolf. Now, we go to Topgolf when my sister is in town because she works there and she gets an insane employee discount. The food there is so good. We had their Fiesta nachos, the hot honey pepperoni pizza. Someone had an all-American burger. We had their queso blanco and chips, their wings. Oh, they're so good. And their farmhouse flathead pizza. It has a cauliflower crust. Oh my gosh, it is so good. On our last day with them, we went to the Bonneville Salt Flats, and this is just west of Salt Lake City. So we hit the road at like 4 in the morning, and we were there to watch the sunrise, and it was beautiful watching the different changes as the sun rose. It was freezing though. We brought blankets, but some of it we watched in the car and then kept hopping in and out. But it's like 30,000 acres of white salt crust. But it was absolutely stunning, and I love the pictures we got. This was fun to do and created such a fun memory. Now, I am going to complain a little bit about Topgolf. This is for the employees there. My sister, like I said, works there. And there have been major changes coming through to Topgolf, which as a customer, I want you to be aware of. So what they're doing is where at your bay, you can do online food ordering. So you scan the code there that they have on the table, and you make your order. And then your server, who would normally come over and ask for your order all the time, she would just be bringing you what you're asking for, right? And then of course she's gonna be checking in on you, asking how are things, what do you need, what would you like more of, right? What is happening right now with the mobile ordering is that customers were stiffing the servers on tips, because they were like, well, they didn't take my order, they were just bringing it to me. And yeah, people think like this. It's crazy. Well, what is happening is that the servers their pay is getting cut dramatically. They don't get paid, like their hourly rate there is not sufficient at all. So when you take away the tips that are coming from this mobile app, it's killing their wallet. And they're making all these layoffs, all these changes, manageable changes, like everything right now. So now if you're looking to go get a job at Topgolf, because seriously, the discount is amazing, just know your pay is going to stink, like really bad, and you're gonna get screwed on tips. Now, allegedly, supposedly, I'm gonna say that just in case Topgolf wants to come after a little person, but that is truly what is happening. And they can't rebut that. That is what's happening. So here's the thing. When you go to Topgolf and you use the mobile ordering, think of your server. Like, so what if you're doing all your main ordering on the app? You're still getting service from your server. So please tip them accordingly, and like how you would. Like, this is how they make their living. And honestly, Topgolf is screwing them. And they know this. A lot of people have complained and brought it forward. They know this, they don't care. So I'm putting this out there the next time you go to Topgolf, please tip your server well. If you've never worked in the service industry, you are working hard for those tips because your hourly pay isn't much. And Topgolf servers are getting royally screwed right now. So please tip your server well at Topgolf. There's my rant, done. All right, so after my sister and niece left, which was a sad, sad day, like literally the ride home from the airport, I started going downhill. Like my body crashed and I got so sick. I was in bed for like 5 days. It was horrible. So my adrenaline just dropped and my body was like, it's your turn to get sick now. So crazy. But now I am just trying to get the house put back together and get certain projects done around the house, because now we're into graduation season and my parents will be here to stay with us. So I have many projects to get done around the home for that. So during my last video, I did mention how I had to bring our sweet Paige to the vet. She wasn't feeling good. There was one day we found this little red patch on her belly. We're like, okay, that's weird. We'll keep a little look at it. And then it grew and it looked like internal bleeding. So we brought her in and she has some weird immune system attacking thing happening. And the vet said that they're seeing this a lot in dogs right now. So she had to get put on a med to help bring up her white blood cell count and help create more platelets. And so now she has been on this medicine since like right before spring break. She's doing well, she's weaning off the pills, and we haven't seen any signs of that internal bleeding. In fact, that cleared up very quickly, so whew, thank goodness. I was worried about that. I was like, not my Paigey Poo. She is my dog. I love her. She's a pain in the butt, but I freaking love her. But that's been the whirlwind since spring break, but so much is coming up that I can't wait to share with you. But I hope you're surviving May. Let me know what you got going on this month. If you have anyone graduating high school or college or kindergarten or preschool, or you have anniversaries or weddings, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know. All right, if you need some motivation to get going, to help you with the crazy busy season, click on these videos here and I'll meet you over there. Thanks for joining me today, friends.